Hello everyone, this is Sai Vamsi. I am here to talk on the paper called Towards Privacy Preserving Content Based Image Retrieval in Cloud Computing. This paper was published in the year 2018 in IEEE Transactions on Cloud Computing. Let's go ahead and look at the problem statement. We all know that content based image retrieval systems are of vast popular nowadays on many in many domains. Let's look at the architecture of a general content based image retrieval system. In the system, the user feeds the CBIR system with an image, and CBIR system is responsible for returning the user with a list of similar images. This particular system is vastly used in the fields of medical and law enforcement, where it will help the uh, clinician to identify or diagnose a patient very effectively. And when it comes to law enforcement, it will help the uh, authorities to uh, actually collect uh, valid facts from a case. So the problem that is actually associated with CBI system is that the wide deployment of CBI scheme has been limited by its severe computation and storage requirement. Storage and computation on large-scale images like CBI retrieval tasks on on-premise infrastructure is a burden on the data owner and businesses. Cloud computing facilitates on-demand access to ample computation and storage resources, which makes it primary choice for image storage and CBIR outsourcing. Despite these infrastructure benefits, privacy becomes the biggest concern about CBIR outsourcing. Example, patients doesn't want their medical images to be disclosed to the third party cloud service provider. Let's look at the solution that has been put up by the author. The author in the proposed scheme allows the data owner to outsource the image database and CBIR service to the cloud without revealing the actual content of the database and user queries to the cloud server. Now let's go ahead and see the architecture of the proposed approach. Uh, First, the data owner actually hosts encrypted images into the cloud server, and an authorized user uh, actually queries with an image in the cloud server, and he will be able to get accurate similar images uh, from the cloud server. There is no interaction between data owner and authorized user, since a data owner will be able to successfully deploy encrypted images into the cloud server. Let's look at the flowchart of the proposed scheme. Uh, First, data owner actually generates keys and build indexes from the database of images. Then he will host the encrypted images in the cloud server, and then he sends a list of keys associated with each image to the data user. With the help of these keys, uh, data user actually queries the cloud server uh, with the help of trapdoor generation, which consists of signature of the image and key associated with it. In return, cloud server actually provides the data user with the list of indexes of similar images. Now, the author has proposed an transformed EMD approach, which is called Earth Mover Distance, which is a measure of similarity between two images. Uh, so for the list of images which cloud server returns to the data user, the data user actually converts those images in the form of EMD problem. Then the cloud server is responsible for calculating this EMD problem to produce and return accurate similar images. So the proposed scheme transforms the EMD, as we spoke earlier, in such a way that the cloud server can compute EMD without learning sensitive information. Authorized data user can query the cloud server without interacting with owner because of deploying encrypted images into the cloud server. Author used transformed EMD and LSH key generation technique to hide sensitive information from the cloud service provider, thereby addressing the core part of the problem statement. Uh, these are the list of novel ideas or points that has been identified in the paper. Though existing privacy preserving CVIR services manually focus on the global feature based methods, but the author used local feature based method as a later returns more accurate results. The calculation of EMD problem between the query image and the images in the database will cause time complexity linear to the cardinality of the image set. To counter this problem, the author has calculated local hash for signature centroid to filter out dissimilar images quickly. Author, through his paper, has eliminated pre-filter tables, which usually reside on the cloud server, which were used to retrieve similar images very quickly. Uh, he eliminated these pre-filter tables to preserve privacy of the owner's data. Proposal of transformed EMD problem has proven to be a novel idea to fetch similar images more quickly without the use of pre-filter tables. Information leakage due to access pattern has been addressed through ORAM scheme. Existing methods focused on efficiency of retrieval operations rather than privacy, which is addressed through this paper by the author. Uh, these are the list of critical inferences that has been uh, identified in the paper. LSH key generation transformed EMD design techniques has led to the accurate and secure content-based image retrieval service functionality. EMD dissimilarity metric, which employed by the author, proved to produce accurate retrieval results. Calculation of local features when compared to global features is a complex task and may lead to inaccurate results if not properly calculated. Proposed scheme achieves nearly constant search time. Experimental results showed that pre-filter based approach retrieved accurate results compared to the technique adopted in the paper during bottleneck cases. Broadly, these are the two areas where uh, extension of this paper can work on. The first one being the time consumption in feature extraction of images, clustering of signature centroids, index construction, which includes signature generation, centroid calculation, and hash calculation, are not negligible overhead for data owner. There is a scope of improvement in this area to reduce overhead time. Both data owner and authorized data user has to put in a lot of technical effort to get the job done. Future works can focus on minimizing the amount of work which has to be put in by those two people. This ends my presentation on the paper. Thank you.